Okay, now we can try how to do exercise 4.4. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercises. So let's look at number 1, in between. So the function will be used is Q. Number 2, less than, the function is P. Number 3, greater than, we will use the function R. Number 4, in between, we will use Q. And number 5, also in between, we will use Q. So the solution for exercise 4.40, let's look at the... Now we will discuss the solution for exercise 4.40. I hope you can try on yourself. So I said number 1, find probability 0 less than z less than 2.32. When you draw the curve, we'll have a normal curve, 0 at the center, and then 0 here is positive side, 2.32. Find the probability on this area. So because of between 0 and 3.2, we will use Q in your calculator. So equals to Q 2.32. Sorry, shift number 3, number 2, 2.32 equal 0.4898. Number 2, find probability z less than 1.65. 0. 1.65 is positive, so on this side 1.65, less than, so less than will be here. So because of the less than, we will use P. So P 1.65, shift number 3, P 1.65, close bracket, equal 0.9505. Okay, next let's do number. Okay, next number 3, find probability z greater than 1.91. Zero. 1.91 is positive, so on this side 1.91, and the symbol is greater than, so find this probability. So because of the greater than, we will use R equals to R 1.91. Shift number 3, 1.91, close, equals to 0.0281. Okay, number 4. For number 4, find probability 1.23 less than z less than 1.9. So in the graph, we will have this 0, 1.23, 1.9. Find this probability. So because in between, we will use Q. Q 0 until 1.9 minus Q 0 until 1.23. Shift number 3, 2. Sorry, shift number 3, choose 2, 1.9 minus 1.23. 0.0806. Okay. Okay, and the last exercise for normal distribution. It is a problem statement. Number 1, a survey found that women spend on average RM146.21 on beauty products in a month. Assume the standard deviation is RM29.44. Find the percentage of women who spend less than 160 ringgit. Assume the variable is normal distributed. So from number 1 here, we know that average. So the mu is equals to 146.21. And then standard deviation sigma is 29.44. The question asks to find percentage of women who spend less than 160. So let's look at how to solve for now. Solution for exercise 4.41. Number 1. A survey found that women spend on average 146.21 ringgit on beauty products in a month. Assume that the standard deviation is 29 ringgit and 44 cents. Find the percentage of women who spend less than 160. Assume the variable is normally distributed. So from the first sentence, we have that average mu is equals to 146.21 and the standard deviation sigma is equals to 29.44. Okay, then the question asks for probability who spend less than, find percentage of women who spend less than 160. So we know that this is x, follow normal with mu 4, so 6.21 and the variance 29.44 square. So find probability x less than 160. So we know that this one is x. We have to convert into standard normal, which is z. So this x will become z less than, so how to convert 160 here? So you know that the formula z is equals to x minus mu over sigma. So z less than 160 minus mu is 146.21 divided by sigma 29.44. So press calculator. So probability z less than 0.4684. If we draw, we have here 0. This one is positive, so on this side 0.4684 less than this area. So less than, we will use P. So in your calculator, find P. Shift number 3, number 1, 0.4684. Close the bracket, equals to 0.6843. Because the question asks for percentage, convert into percentage, it will become done for number 1.